Hey guys, we are in Portugal. Beautiful ship. You're familiar with this, no? You promised me at June. Remember, and I am not leaving without it. Yeah, I don't like nothing with milk. So remember that. No milk for me, no milk for me. So she promised me a juice, and she actually tried to come outside without the juice. I do not understand. So I had to send her back. We're not in any hurry today. To get the delivery done, but you have to stick by her promise. Just like how we're standing by our promise that we'll get your package to you on time, all the time. The most efficient way ever. Yeah. I hold her to it. Most definitely.
Oh my God.
$1. I'll take my juice. It's a good exchange. I get a... What flavor is this? Fruit punch. Did you make it?
No, it's sealed.
It's sealed?
Yeah.
Spanish fly, I mean. You know Spanish fly?
I heard about it.
You've heard about it?
Yeah.
Alright, we hear about it. Yes, go to show. We hear about it. You know, tell me.
I just know that I heard a lot.
Okay. How you day been so far though?
I'm good. I was actually washing. When you called me,
I see you look good at wash.
you know,
Okay, so when I called you,
yeah, so I had to, get
titivate
myself.
and get yourself together.
Oh, titivate, I'm just
Like a
one
piece of yours over
t-shirt.
there and another piece of...
Yes, it was all over the place.
Alright, Shanika, I didn't keep you much longer. It's really good serving you. And I thank you for the juice because it's a really hot day. And I'm going to cherish this bottle even after the juice. I'm going to keep the bottle inside my car and make sure every time I see the bottle, I remember you.
That is it.
You hear that? That is it. Huh? And that's where we're going to end this delivery.
Yes,
That is Shanika. That's what Shanika said.
yes. Thank you
Peace out.
so much.
You're welcome. Anything else? By the way, anything else you want from us?
I have other stuff to come in, but I don't put it on the website yet.
You haven't done yet. Okay, in terms of
No.
service though, are you getting what you're expecting?
Yeah, I love it.
You love it. So
Yeah.
why you sound so sheepish all of a sudden? You should be excited. You should be, yeah, I love it.
Because I know I'm kind of stubborn.
You're kind of stubborn.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why.
Okay. We're still working with you. Still, still appreciate your efforts in being not so stubborn. All right, Sharika, big up yourself.
Thank
All
you.
the best today and always, all right?
Yeah,
My
man.
pleasure.
All
See you, have
right.
a fun delivery. Please, I say bye-bye. You get my news.